Harsh chemicals are no longer best for fighting tough soils and odors. Biology provides a better way with probiotic bacteria. In kitchen, industrial, restroom, and other environments, EnviroZyme Probiotic Solutions provide continuous, long-lasting cleaning performance and complete malodor elimination for up to 21 days after initial application. The science is simple. First, probiotics create enzymes that prepare soils for digestion. Then, the probiotics continue to digest soil until there's nothing left. This makes cleaning easier and more effective, and even prevents buildup in facility plumbing, septic systems, and municipal sewer systems downstream. Compared to traditional cleaning chemicals, probiotic cleaners are better for people and the planet with non-caustic, non-toxic, and biodegradable formulas. We grow it, so we know it. Betco is the only chemical manufacturer in the world to ferment our own probiotics for targeted cleaning solutions. With carefully selected strains for specific soils and proprietary nutrient packages to help them grow faster, our probiotic formulas deliver superior performance. For more information, fill out our online submission form or contact Betco customer service at 888-GO-BETCO.